I have nothing. I am in no way associated with this coin. Nothing like that. Okay, I'm too small of a YouTuber to even be offered anything like that. Okay, I have a lot of faith in this thing. I don't know what it is. I got in Cardano at 4 cents. I got in Polygon at 2 cents. I got in Gala Games at I got 250,000 Gala for $37. I got in Gala the second day it launched. All right, this thing has 1 billion total coins. All right, 1 billion. Cardano has 30 or 40 billion. XRP, they have a maximum supply of 100 billion. Those tokens or coins hit $3. I'm not saying that this thing's going to hit $3. I don't know. In my own personal opinion, what do I believe is a realistic price for this thing in a bull run? Yeah, $5 to $10. I personally believe that in my heart. I really do. I don't know. The gaming coins do good. This thing is in on the casinos, the sports betting, all of that. I don't know. We'll see what happens, but that's why I cover it. I really. I hold it, and I really got high hopes for this thing. I really do. Let's go back through this, the whole way back here. Boy, I wish I would have got in here. That would have made life a lot easier. 0.0047. Okay, 0.0047. All right, so just say you threw $1,000 at it. Oops, $1,000 divided by 0.0047. $1,000 would have got you 212,000 tokens. 212,000. All right. Now $1,000 will get you, I think, right around 25,000. So that's the difference between getting in a project early and not saying this is late. 3 cents is not late by any means, but that's the difference in tokens right there. 212,000 for $1,000 back here. Wow. I would have been all over that. I would have a few million of them by now. If that thing, the 212,000, worst case scenario. I mean, absolutely worst case, in my opinion, this thing just goes to $3. That's $500,000, 650,000 roughly. So off of $1,000 investment back there. I truly believe that 1 billion tokens. All right, last bull run, it's the gaming coins did absolutely fantastic. They really did. It's like each thing goes through its run. But gaming did very well. The NFT marketplace obviously did very well. But blockchain bets, man, I don't know. I just got a good feeling about this one. Let's take a look here, guys. This thing is wedging up here. All right, let's take a look at this, see what's going on here. The 4-hour RSI is at a just flipped bearish at a 82 and an 84. The 8-hour is still bullish at a 91 and a 78. The 12 is just turned up. It's only about halfway up. And your daily just turned up. All right, the weekly is at a 54 and a 69. It actually is coming down. The regular RSI, you can see here, it's kind of flattening out. I'm looking for a breakout of this, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it here. If this thing breaks to the upside, which with that daily RSI, I'm kind of hoping it does that. It could make a pretty massive move here if it does. All right, just to give you an idea, any break to the upside, usually you take the width. And if you guys haven't, please check out my level 3 trading videos. $14.99. You can go learn all this stuff yourself. All right. bull run coming up, you want to make as much money as you can. You know, spend the 15 bucks. You know, I wouldn't say that unless I truly believed in it. There's 8 hours worth of videos in there to teach you how to do this stuff. You know, I have a guy, we were messaging back and forth today, a member. You know, never met him in person. He has my person. He's a super supporter. We do a lot of one-on-ones, but he's killing it, like, absolutely killing it. You know, and he's basically using the RSI. That's his number one tool, and he's killing it. You know, I'm keeping names private. That's his business, but you know, it's not little tiny gains. He's doing very, very well. All right, so the move, if this breaks to the upside, you know, you could be looking at 7 cents. All right, roughly. That would be the measured move out of this thing. That would be a move up of, you know, about 100% move. All right, so looking for that break here. Really am. It's wedging right up in here, getting pretty tight now. All right, it's going to do one thing or the other here real soon. All right, you can see this bottom right about there. This top is coming down here. I mean, quite honestly, I thought it was making its move here a couple days ago here. Yesterday it popped up out of there, but pushed right back down in. All right, the first sign of a break here is going to be the break of this 3.03.5 cent range. All right, it's got to take that back, and that'll get it right back at the just right on the breakout level of this thing. Okay, and then you'd be looking at the 0.042 and then 0.048. All right, very, very good support down here at 0.0315. Very good support level, but watch that 3.5 cent range. Okay, if we get this breakout, and I have a video over there called "Don't Buy Big Green Candles." All right, there's a reason for that, guys. Usually, if you get a breakout, you'll get a big run up, then you'll get a pullback. All right, wait for the pullback to get your entry, and then ride it out. Okay, normally you'll get a big push up, and then you'll take your Fibonacci. You know, here's a little freebie. All right, if you get that big push up here, you know, say it runs up to here. Okay. You take your fib, you go from your bottom of your move to the top, all right, and you watch for this 702 level. Right here, 618 to the 702. Watch for that level to come in, and that's usually where you'll get your bounce from, right in that area. That's what I like. I like to wait for the breakout, wait for the pullback, hits that 618 or 702, I jump in there and I ride it out, but that's what usually happens. All right, guys, thank you so very, very much. I will be back tomorrow with this. We'll have an update and see if we get this breakout. Have a good night, guys.